One of the best ways to improve your drawing skills is by analyzing the right way and the wrong way side by side. As you are watching this comparison, I want you to think about what I'm doing right and wrong with each drawing. Feel free to rewind as much as you need to. If you thought about the lack of an outline guide, the heavy thick marks, and the fast heavy shading for the drawing on the left as some of the don'ts, you are on the right track. Using an outline guide such as the grid will improve the accuracy of the size, shape, and location of the facial features. Keeping a light touch when drawing the outline will allow you to fix any mistakes without leaving marks. Doing a slower, more gradual shading will allow you to create a more refined look as well as create a larger range of shading tones. If you look at the drawing on the right, the different levels of tones give the drawing a more realistic three-dimensional look versus the one on the left, which looks more flat, partially due to the lesser range in the shading tones. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment with any suggestions for a future video. Have a good one.